just verify that. And for accused number 1, this is the Amin. For accused number 2 and 4, is out of the progressing, and for accused number 5, this is the as this Amin is assisting us to the interpretation today. That choose first appearance today, worship on. So, sorry, Mr. President, for choose number 1 is Mr. Amin, choose Mr. Amin. Choose 2 and 4. I can say for choose number 3 and 5. I choose 3 and 5. The accused are appearing for the first time in court on the following charges. 1 being conspiracy to commit murder, second one being murder, the third one being murder. Both murders by section 51 subsection 1 of the criminal law amendment act. Count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count 6 to 10 is attempted murder. Count 4 and 5 is unlawful possession of firearm and lawful possession of ammunition is theft. So the accused are facing 10 counts.
I have to place on record that before we came in, I had a meeting with the prosecution and the defense, and we agreed that we allow the media to be present as it is here. So, ladies and gentlemen of the media, you are welcome in these proceedings. And I just want to confirm your appearance, Mr. Kamil, for accused 1.
As the court pleases your worship, I do confirm that I appear for accused number 1, yes, Kamil.
Thank you. Advocate Jefferson for accused number 2 and 4.
That is so, Your Worship. I appear instructed by my attorney, Mr. Barata, who is your attorney.
Thank you. And Ms. Egan for accused 3 and 5.
Confirm my appearance on behalf of the people.
Thank you. What is the state's application?
Your worship, at this stage, we request a postponement for further investigations. There are certain investigations that we wish to conduct. And secondly, Your worship, there are outstanding suspects in this matter.
All right. So do you mind specifying what investigation, or is it not important investigation?
Your worship, I might mention a few, but not everything due to the sensitive nature of some of the investigation. Basically, we still finalizing the analysis of, amongst others, data that has been obtained for purposes of investigation, following up on certain information that has since transpired after the arrest of the accused, amongst others. And the second leg of our application relates to the fact that there are 2 other, I would say now, accused because they've been arrested. I would expect suspects if they were not arrested, but they were not arrested in South Africa. They were arrested in the country of the Kingdom of Swaziland. We are in the process of having then extradited back to his country. Which process is being discussed together with one of my learned friends, President George, who has informed us that he has been instructed by those two accused. We would love to have them joined in this matter, depending on the attitudes between the two parties relating to their tradition. It will determine then how longer can this process be finalized. If, for example, there's a consent for them being extradited, it will take short than for participating.
Has the process of extradition started?
Yes, that is
Can you give the court an indication as to more or less how long it's going to take?
As the first process, which was the request for them to be arrested, then they appear in court. Now we have a maximum of 30 days to finalize in between what happens. As I said, should there be no objection on the side of those that should be extradited, it might take longer than 2 months. But if there is an objection, then it might take us, of course, depending on how the case is developed in the courts in Japan. At this stage, we are not in a position to indicate to the court as to how long, depending, of course, as I said earlier on, whether there's an objection or a permission for them to be extradited.
But you say there is a legal representative of the accused who was still in the neighboring country.
She is one of the friends sitting here. We have had an informal discussion on that issue. I would love to place them in court as if that is the version. But we have had some discussion informally, and it appears that the period might be shorter than that. For those reasons, then, Your Worship, that is our request. I have been approached by my learned friends relating to the issue of their intention to bring an application to the reason day. And the state has indicated to all my learned friends that we will be opposing those applications, should they be brought. Perhaps we hear from my learned friends what they intend.
Your Worship, in light of the information that has been given before, may I approach my country?
The accused may be seated.
May I then approach you, please?
Whilst my learned friend is busy, I've been informed by my colleague that I was looking at the track sheet and looking at the few ones sending and presented as quarters, matters, performance, and financial. Maybe I don't change that. I was looking at the same records. I was putting that in there. I don't want to go to the
Let me get this report. Your Worship, before I answer that question, the state mentions why they
May I propose the following? May I hear what the colleagues say? In the event the same question is posed on me, and put up my other colleagues, okay? Throw the questions to them. But may I may we request that the first please where the application is not, so that when I answer them, instead of you, so it will be better.
Maybe let's approach it from this angle. The stance of the state is that the state is going to oppose bail in the event of it being brought. Fine. Now, the question then says, are the accused intending to bring an application to be released on bail? Mr. Dlamini. Fine, thank you. Ms. Gilling, Mr. Jefferson.
Yes, instructions are to move forward with the bail application regardless of the reasons.
My instructions will explain why to proceed with bail application.
Fine. So then we can move on to the question that was raised.
On enlisting the charges, I indicated counts 2 and 3 in terms of section 51, subsection 1 of the Criminal Act, thereby classifying those charges as being Schedule 6. Now, Schedule 6 indicates that the worship has to order the detention of the accused until the final judgment. It's not within my right to do that, it's the court's that's jurisdiction, order the detention until they apply to this court. Furnish reasons as to why they should be. Therefore, first answer to the question that is for the court to exercise its orders. The question of please exercise it, because that's what was proceeded. As to the reasons I mentioned before, there is no application at this stage. I do not feel it is obliged for the state to state reasons for an application to be made. There must be an application, then listen to the application, we hear the reasons for the application, and then decide. But I say simply one of the reasons will be like this.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
We mentioned that however, I want to bring to the attention this big issue 6 max in itself, that is what and nonetheless we will take those issues.
But the wording of Schedule 6 of Section 60, subsection 11 is very clear.
That's what you want to that the court has determined that these people should get paid. However, that in itself is not a ground.
Fine. Do you wish to come in, Mr. Jones? Okay, what is the proposed date?
Your Worship, we anticipated that this kind of an application might be brought, and for in preparation thereof, we have a request that the first, fourth, and fifth accused be detained at Chatsworth for a period of 7 days. Now, I'm not sure whether that now, in a way, give an indication to my learned friends as to whether this can be proposed. Or my other suggestion is we have a short adjournment to approach the worshiping chambers, where you can come back and confirm it rather than speak one just to the other and then or the court can give us any indication.
Okay, let's not confuse the issues. Your initial application is for postponement for further investigation. Right. And there is an indication now by the defense that they are going to bring an application for the accused to be released on bail. So let's not confuse the issues. If the accused are to bring in their application, the fact that there is investigation outstanding, is it not going to affect the application per se?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
The fact of them bringing the application will not hinder whatever we want to do, insofar as the main case is concerned. Bearing in mind the nature and the agency of the application that is being made.
Well, then in that case, I propose that perhaps we take a short adjournment and we look at our diaries and agree on a date for bail application.
Your Worship, I agree firstly, and this.
But my concern at the back of my mind is, are we not going to have a situation where we are going to have a piecemeal application, seeing that there are two other accused that are outstanding still out of the country?
Your Worship, the issue is, as of now, we have this fight. Before that. So, we have the jurisdiction there. As and when the other two join, if they join in the middle of a bail application or whatever the case may be, unfortunately, I cannot make any submission to this court of what to do, because those two are not yet informed. So we can deal with the fact. And before I adjourn, Your Worship, I've been given a very smiling face by the capital to say, you have not given me an opportunity to do my job.
We apologize. Thank you, Ms. Lamini. We apologize again for affording you the opportunity to translate to what has been said. The court will take a short adjournment. You need to conduct an identification parade. So why are the accused covering themselves? Is there any particular reason? Mr. Dlamini? This is an open court. Why should they cover themselves? It's safe to say?
It's safe to say that everyone has been hiding. I
contention is that the accused persons, they need to uncover themselves. There is no reason that has been advanced why they should cover themselves. Yes.
Sorry, the Commission may want to consider these proceedings are being brought live. Now, it appears that the court wants their cases on that. We don't know what other investigations ought to take place. And if they are held, where does that leave the sanctity of any identification that the state wishes to hold?
That is the very reason I've asked, is identification one of the issues that need to be investigated, and the state has indicated that no. So then there is no reason for the accused to cover themselves, because there is no pending identification parade that is to take place.
At this stage, Your Worship, the investigation is ongoing, so I would submit it's better to do it on the side of caution. But of course, it is Your Worship's.
Worship, as our investigation, there is no way that our political matter of any safety, so we can uncover them. And I would ask the ladies and gentlemen of the media not to take photos whilst the court is proceeding, but before or after the proceedings. Right. Thank you. Thank you. State that request data for verification of dates. Because I have a request question that the request one has to about this matter and it's September 2005 and the last accused was Monday. We had that Chatsworth Police Station.
For the record, in chambers we agreed that the matter is going to be postponed provisionally for bail verification until the 6th of June, 6th of March, and thereafter until the 14th, 18 and 19, and thereafter the 27. And it is your proposal that for bail verification purposes, accused 1 and 5 be kept at Chatsworth Police Station. Okay? Accused
1.5.
4 and 5. And then the other accused 2 and 3.
They can be investigated.
There was a concern whilst we were in chambers that it's not easy for the defense to consult when the accused are in Westville. Are you comfortable, gentlemen, from the defense, that accused 2 and 3 be kept at Westville?
And we refer that they also kept at Chatsworth Police Station or any other police station as opposed to the prison. It's easier to consult about. My understanding, my own opinion, is that there's going to be a discussion about that after that, and we hope that we will reach consensus.
Yes, that question was raised, Mr. Amaya, that the accused be kept at police stations for bail verification purposes. Thereafter, they can go to prison. Should they all go to Chatsworth Police Station?
at Chatsworth.
So accused 2 and 3 are already in prison for other matters, and to take them out of the prison and
What the RJ just said is
that makes sense. Unfortunately, we cannot help you, gentlemen, in as far as that is concerned. Says that he is kept at the prison.
Well, you're speaking about accused on 4. That's one of those that I understand is going to go back to jail.
Yes, accused 1, 4, and 5 are to be kept at Chatsworth police station.
So I'm taking instructions, and the complaint from number 4 is that he's not being treated as he should.
Where?
Whilst he's been in Chatsworth.
At Chatsworth.
Now, first up the stage has made is one to the and Chatsworth as well as however, if there is any improvement in respect of accusement 4, we will take it up with the team. And also inform the commander in Chatsworth in order to deal with this.
Thank you, Richard. We'll take up that invitation.
It's recorded that accused number 4 has a concern or complaint that he's not treated well at the Chatsworth police station. Then he is encouraged to take that up with the commander there and the investigating officer.
Please look into that and address any concerns that may be. Verification until the 6th of March. Accused number 1, 4, and 5 are to be kept at Chatsworth police station. Accused number 3, number 2, and 3 are to be kept at
Westview prison. On the 6th of March, the matter will then come before court again for bail application purposes on the 14th of March. On the 14th of March, it will then be postponed to the 18th and 19th of March. It is foreseeable that we won't be able to finalize the matter on these 2 days. It will then be postponed to the 27th of March for bail application purposes. So it's postponed now to the 6th of March for bail verification purposes. On the 6th of March, it will be postponed to the 14th of March when we will commence with the bail application. We won't finish on the 14th of March, that is foreseeable. It will then on the 14th of March be postponed to the 18th and 19th of March. And we foresee that we will not be able to finalize the matter on those 2 days. And then on the 19th, we will then postpone to the 27th of March. This is according to the availability of legal representatives of the accused and the prosecution team.
Thank you.